Welcome to our channel!
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Fembam NY. For today's video, I will be making another beautiful birthday balloon bouquet using our 18 inches Beautiful Balloon. We have 5 inches white balloons here, 260Q green and rose gold. We have 12 inches blush color latex balloon, 11 inches rose gold. Now we'll inflate our 12 inches first. This is gonna be the base. So we'll inflate this to 7 inches or 17.78 centimeters. And then tie this together. Go, put this together. Now the second layer, this is 11 inches. So this is gonna be on the top one, it'll be a little smaller. We will inflate this to 6 inches or 15.24 centimeters. So we got our balloon weight right here. So we need our 20-pound fishing line. You will attach this or tie your balloon weight right here with your fishing line right there. And now we need the very bottom, the base. So we'll put this on here and then tie it and put this on the bottom. So that would be on the base. Okay, put this on top. Again, you want it in between. Then you want to give it a little push, pull your fishing line a little, and then do it like the shape of a number 8. Pull a little again. And there goes your base on the bottom right there. Put this on the side for now, and it's time to inflate our 18 inches Beautiful Balloon. So before you inflate this, make sure you stretch just like that. Let it stretch. So we'll put this on the side. It's time to stuff it with your white 5 inches balloon. So using your balloon stick, stick it in your 5 inches and then stick it in the Beautiful Balloon. Inflate this. So this is how you stuff your Beautiful Balloon. So I put about 2 pumps. Tie this here, and then I cut the tip. There you go, so we put 10 in here. Alright, so now it's fully stuffed with our 5 inches balloon here, white. And that should be good. So you make a twist, you twist this one right here. And then I will use our 260Q and wrap this here. Then tie your 260Q. Make sure it's nice and tight so it won't deflate on you. There you go, guys. So now we will use another 260Q here. I'll tie it here. And then you stop this here. See right here. You can either use 260Q or your fishing line. Just like that. See? Alright guys, so it's time to attach our rose flowers right here, our bouquet. So we will put this here. I might need balloon glue dots later. So, but for now, I'm gonna push this here, pull it here, and then I will attach this to one of our balloons. I'll just wrap it here. Just like that for now. Okay, I will attach our balloon right here using our balloon glue dots. And we'll continue putting more balloons right here. Back. Alright guys, so now another 5 inches balloon right here. So we will inflate this to 2.5 or 6.35 centimeter. Just like this. Okay, so we will attach this to our balloon using our glue dots. And there you go guys, it's finally done. I hope you like this. Here you go guys, we will see you guys in our next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!